Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to fix the network connection or errors in the N26 app. First, make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working. Try switching between networks to see if it fixes the problem. Then, swipe off from the bottom of your screen, look for the N26 app, close the app completely, wait for a few while, and then reopen it. Next, restart the device to refresh the connection. If a VPN is active, turn it off. VPNs can block secure banking connection. Now, head over to your app store, search for the N26 app, and make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Wait for a few extra minutes if N26 servers are under maintenance. That's how to fix the N26 network or connection errors. Like and subscribe for more banking fixes.